Hello everyone, this is Sunil Kumar. I welcome you all on our channel, The Burning Jobs and Career. Today we are here to share few positions. There are positions open with our client based in Pune. The positions are into non-IT. The client is a manufacturing and it's one of the biggest MNC in automotive parts manufacturing. So they have position in mid-level. Positions are technical. The BTech candidates can watch this video. Would be helpful for them to apply and develop their career. So positions are based in Pune. Let's discuss this position one by one. First position they have is assistant manager production. It's equal to shift in charge. Before we go for the position, let's understand what is company all about. Company is, as I said, it's one of the biggest MNC into automotive parts manufacturing. Their turnover is around 1,000 crore. They are based in Pune. They have pick and drop facility across the city. And their total manpower in Pune plant is around 500. They have 4 more plants across in different locations of the country. So Pune plant, they are looking for assistant manager production, which is equal to shift in charge. Now shift in charge is going to report to the production head and would be responsible for leading the shift. This shift is going to be day shift only. The person will have pick and drop across the city. Person should have qualification of BTech mechanical or production with experience of 5+ in any manufacturing company wherein the products are automotive or related. And the present company turnover should be 400 crore. I mean, the person, wherever the person is working, the turnover of that company should be 400 crore. So, person can apply by sharing the CV on given below ID. This is the first position. The second position is for assistant manager import. They need somebody who is well aware about import documentation. Qualification is flexible. Person with BCom, MBA or any similar qualification can apply for this position. Person should have 5 to 6 years of experience in import documentation. Export part is additional, but the main requirement is for import. If you have export knowledge, that is add-on. Or required nahi hai. Requirement is for import only. So if you have strong understanding about the import protocols, the documentation required, the process to follow, and you have that experience in your present company, the company turnover is again matching to this company turnover, is good to apply for this role. So in short, person with qualification of BCom or related with 5 years of experience into import activity can apply on this position by sharing the CV and given below ID. Third is for manager PPC. PPC stands for production planning and control. Someone with experience of 10 years with qualification of BTech mechanical production and electrical, 10-year experience into a company in automotive parts manufacturing. This experience should be from the automotive parts manufacturing. Should have that understanding about the raw material required for the automotive parts like sheet metals and related products. Should be good into complete planning part, dispatching part. Should be leading the team of engineers and should be capable to head the department. So you can share your profile on the given below ID. Our team member will get in touch with you to discuss the same in more detail.